picked this guy up recently for my dog, and she loves it. So it's pretty neat. It's got a pull thing here. It's got the crackle sound. In here, not so much. More just stuffing in here. And then we got the crackle. And then this part's solid. No squeaker. Luna. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's still getting used to it because it's brand new. Bring here. Bring here. Bring here. Or not. Let's put it to the test. Come on. Kitty. Kitty. Come on. She is not interested at the moment. She just had a bone and you can tell she's a little preoccupied. Ready? Set? Go get it. So jury's still out on this one. Pretty neat. Again, still getting familiar with it. Seems solid though. No squeaker, but it does have the crackly paper. And it could be used as a pool toy too. Looks like it'll be pretty sturdy. However, I haven't been able to try that part yet.